If you're healthy and you want a COVID shot this fall, be prepared to fork over $100. The province revealing the price today after warning people for weeks the change was coming. The Premier says it's about limiting waste. Health experts warn the financial barrier comes with consequences. CTV's Jeremy Thompson reports.
For the love of God, please get vaccinated now. And if you do, we will now pay you $100.
4 years ago, then Premier Jason Kenney was begging Albertans to take the COVID vaccine, offering $100 as incentive. Now the dough will flow the other way.
This was a vaccine that was covered for 3 years by the federal government, and they chose to stop funding it. And so we had to make an assessment of what it would cost us.
Premier Danielle Smith says fewer and fewer Albertans are getting the COVID vaccine, and by ordering in advance, the province is paying for hundreds of thousands of doses to go in the garbage instead of Albertans' arms.
What we found last year was that 54% of the doses were spoiled.
To offset the waste, Albertans are being asked to pre-book their COVID shots by September 30th, and most will have to pay $100.
We're the only place in Canada that's telling people that they have to pay out of pocket to get a COVID vaccine. That is embarrassing and it's dangerous.
One health policy professor believes the government's decision is short-sighted.
By attaching any amount of money to it, the government is sending a message that it's not necessary, it's not that important, you really don't need to bother with this.
Lorian Hardcastle says the cost will mean more Albertans will choose to forego the vaccine, which leads to a different kind of waste, unnecessary hospitalizations, and lost productivity.
COVID rates will rise when cold and flu season comes, and that will put additional pressure on hospitals. So there's good public reason to cover those kinds of vaccinations.
Some Albertans are still eligible for a free COVID shot, including healthcare workers, people in long-term care, low-income seniors, those with underlying health conditions, and more.
But now, how are people going to prove that they meet that criteria?
You can still get a free COVID vaccine if you're healthy and willing to travel. Both BC and Manitoba say Albertans are welcome to get the jab there. Jeremy Thompson, CTV News, Edmonton.